Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making power safe. Disconnect the negative battery terminal now so nothing backfeeds. Once done, lift the passenger front and support the car on jack stands. Remove the wheel and the lower splash shield to expose the bell housing. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection. This saves time versus stopping for cuts. With the area clear, crawl under and identify the starter mounted to the transmission. And note the heavy battery cable and smaller solenoid lead before you touch anything. You'll now disconnect wiring. First, remove the small solenoid lead, then the main battery cable using the correct 8mm or 10mm socket. Label them so reassembly is simple. Once wires are clear, support the starter with one hand while you break the mounting bolts loose. There are typically 2 or 3 bolts. Use penetrating oil if they are stubborn. Once the bolts are out, lower the starter straight down and examine the pinion gear and the flywheel teeth for wear. Because a damaged flywheel must be addressed, place the new starter into the bell housing and start the mounting bolts by hand so threads align, then tighten to the specified torque. This ensures correct engagement. Once secured, reconnect the heavy battery cable and the smaller solenoid wire, making sure terminals are clean and tight. Then reinstall the splash shield and wheel, lower the car, and reconnect the battery. Turn the key to test. If you hear a click but no crank, check battery voltage and ground continuity first. Poor ground or low volts often causes that symptom and is the key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.